Okay, a couple things I really love about this arrangement of Rainbow Road, arranged by Chrissy Ricker and originally by Asuka Ohta. So, something I love about it is that it starts out with the left hand having a really important foundational role. So, I love that the suggested fingering has finger 3 in the middle and it's keeping this steady rhythm the whole time through for almost the first two lines on a D. So I love that the hand can feel balanced on the keys. That really helps because what's happening in the right hand is that we're having lots of this kind of rhythmic feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 together. And so I love that we're having this kind of percussive feel. And I don't know about you. I'd love to hear from you if you're another teacher, how you love to approach rhythm. I know some that love the metronome. So I do have a metronome here. I check it often for intended tempos for composers, but I have to admit I do lots of what I might call rhythmic choreography. So I take a lot of time with students thinking about how our bodies are going to feel to coordinate that, and taking the rhythm away from the page first often and often away from the piano to plan it out, because I find once we get those little rhythms attached to the notes and we're playing them, if we have them incorrect they kind of stick and it gets really hard to retrain your ear and your muscles once you're playing it incorrectly. So this one has some great percussive kind of challenges in it, and I love that it also has students moving around the keys, so not just staying in one position. It goes up the octave for the part that goes like this. Again, it has these little tied notes that give this little kind of offbeat feel, but I love it. And then it has these 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and it has those dotted quarters at the end of the measure that are accented. So I thought that for an easy abridged version of Rainbow Road, this one is fantastic. Again, towards the end, it goes back to the third finger being on D and being repeated while you're coordinating. It always sounds like a sneeze to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, achoo. 1, 2, 3, achoo, achoo. So, wrong note at the end. So that is just a playful piece. I think it's a great arrangement, and I hope you love teaching it. And I'd love to hear, how would you approach rhythm in this? Have you heard this piece before? And I'd love to know if it'll be on your list to teach this year. Thanks for listening in.